In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to organize your life in Notion using a dashboard and calendar. We'll start right in your browser. Open Notion and log in so you're on your workspace. Think of this as your command center. In the left sidebar, click the option to create a new page. This will be your main hub, so give it a clear name you'll recognize easily. To speed things up, use a template. Click Templates, then search for Life Planner or browse the personal category. When you find a layout you like, click Use this template. Templates give you a head start with pre-built sections like tasks, habits, goals, and notes, so you're not building from scratch. Once the template loads, click into any section to tailor it to your life. Rename headers to match what you actually track. Clean out any placeholder content and add a short description or instructions if that helps you stay consistent. The goal is to make each section meaningful at a glance. If tasks is where you manage daily to-dos, keep it short and actionable. If habits is for routines, keep entries simple and measurable. Goals can capture milestones or outcomes you're working toward, while notes can hold ideas, research, or quick reminders. Now let's bring in a calendar so you can see time-based items in one place. On your page, type a / and search for calendar, then choose calendar. Inline. Inline keeps the calendar embedded within your dashboard, so you don't have to navigate away. Place it near the top or wherever your eye naturally goes first. Click any date on the calendar to add a task, event, or reminder. Give it a clear title, add key details in the description, and if you like, include a time. Use the calendar for anything tied to a day, deadlines, appointments, or habit check-ins, so your schedule and tasks live together. To keep related areas organized, create subpages. In the sidebar, click Add a Page and make focused spaces like work, health, or personal projects. These act like folders for deeper notes, resources, and ongoing plans without cluttering your main view. For quick access, drag those subpages under your main dashboard in the sidebar. Nesting them keeps everything one click away and helps you stay in flow. Wrap it up by reviewing your calendar and dashboard daily. A brief morning check to plan and a quick evening review to tidy up will keep your system accurate and stress-free. Your life dashboard with calendar is ready. Plan your tasks and events easily. Subscribe for more tutorials.